Why you there so far?
No.
Come up here, some man.
Me have my outside clothes.
So take off your clothes. Why you there shy? Come man, come up in the bed with me, man. No long me a pray you with your little cute self.
Stop.
You know, so you bring me to the door. Me want a baby from you today.
No, I can't.
What you say?
No,
Come
stop.
on, come. That was so good though. I never know say you're bad.
Yeah, man, you work me. You barely go water there, please.
I don't have no water. You want some from the pipe?
No, me don't drink pipe water. No pipe water. Give me something to clean up there. Cause you make a mess right or so.
What?
This thing, man. It smell like you used it already. Oh, wait.
How me use? Remember say me have my man.
Man?
Yeah, me have my man. I have to tell you so I have man my youth. Like you were just a one fuck.
Bitch. Man, you never tell me that.
Oh, hurry up because I have to pick up my friend.
How with the